Tired of buying a business alone? You're not lazy. You're just doing it the hard way. Because buying a great business takes a team. And if you don't build one, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to overpay, or worse, close on a disaster. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly who you need on your deal team, when to bring them in, what they cost, and how to avoid paying $20K for useless advice. Hi, I'm John Stoddard. I helped close over 33 million in small business deals and helped raise more than 50 million in capital. I've reviewed hundreds of deals and coached buyers from their first cold call to a wire transfer at closing. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your business buying dream team so you can move fast, avoid rookie mistakes, and actually close. No BS, no theory, just tactical information. So, even the smartest solo operators hit walls. Why? You don't know what you don't know. You don't have time to do 100 hours of diligence alone. And sellers, they can smell uncertainty, and that kills your leverage. Here's the truth. In 2025, good deals are moving fast. You're just not bidding against amateurs. You're bidding against private equity firms, strategic buyers, W-2s with a lot of money, and searchers backed by Harvard alums and dry powder. If you're serious, you need a team that makes you look sharp before the LOI, during due diligence, and after the close. So, who's on this dream team? Here's your core 6-player roster. That's you. You're the quarterback. You own the vision and drive the deal. You need a bookkeeper or a CPA. You need clean, readable financials. Someone to translate tax returns, QuickBooks, bank statements. Not your cousin good with TurboTax. You need an attorney for LOIs, for purchase agreements, non-competes, leases. Hire someone who's actually closed SMB deals. No shade, but not your real estate attorney and not your divorce attorney. You need a lender or loan broker. If you use an SBA, they're like gatekeepers. Choose one who gives you straight answers and fast approvals or denials. You need an M&A advisor or coach. Shameless plug. Someone who's seen hundreds of deals, spots red flags, helps you structure the deal, keeps you from getting fleeced. And you need a post-close operator integrator. That's optional, but powerful if you're not running it yourself. Think ahead and start vetting early. You might also need, let's say, some industry consultants or H&R payroll experts or due diligence techs. It's a SaaS or IT heavy deal. Got a little bit of a reality check. These people get paid before the deal closes. Don't expect them to work free until closing day. They've got rent to pay, families to feed. You're buying a business. You're not shopping at Costco. So build it into your budget, ask for quotes, and pay based on output, not retainers where your money disappears into a voicemail. Here's where you bring them in. Pre-LOI, that's you. Maybe your M&A advisor, me, everyone else, little too early. Post-LOI, now it's real. Time to call in your CPA, your attorney, your lender. You're about to spend some real money, so do it smart. And during due diligence, this is your kill or close window. You got financials, you got legal docs, leases, inventory. Use your team to confirm what's real. Are they certain? They are uncertain. Pre-close. This is where you have your find a lender documents, seller schedules, escrow prep, integration planning. Get it right here or deal with the pain later. And here's a pro tip. Avoid upfront retainers. Instead, negotiate milestone payments. Pay for work delivered, not just access. Where do you find these people? Let's say, start off your network. Start with people you trust. Referrals beat Google. Go to LinkedIn. There are lots of quality earnings experts or lenders, and there's M&A attorneys. Or X, or searchfunder.com. Check who's active and who's sharp, talking about deals, posting socially, and and goes to the conferences. Also, check out podcasts. There's some great podcasts like mine, Top M&A Entrepreneurs. There's Acquiring Minds from Will Smith. I've had dozens of deal pros on my show. Steal my list. Don't fall for M&A just in the bio. Vet them. Ask questions like, how many SMB M&A deals have you closed? What deal sizes are you used to? What's your typical timeline? Because you don't want to kill a deal. Time kills deals. So ask, what's your typical timeline? And can I talk to a recent client? Sometimes they say no because they're under confidentiality. You're like hiring a sniper here, not a generalist, a sniper. Let me talk to you a little bit about common mistakes here. Hiring a full team before you have a deal, don't do that. That's like booking a wedding venue before you're even dating. Instead, get clear on your acquisition criteria. Build consistent deal flow. Stack your team as needed once you've got traction. If you're using SBA, you'll need a CPA who understands add backs, a lender who can walk you through debt service coverage ratio, and an attorney who won't blow up your LOI over nonsense. But if you're still kicking tires on a 2-location laundromat with no financials, hold off on these. Let's talk about competition here. If it's an on-market deal through a broker and it's actually good, you're not the only one that sees it. You're likely up against 3 to 10 offers. Some of these people will already have team in place, like lenders, lawyers, and letters of intent ready to go. I've seen deals just disappear real quick because they signed an LOI over the weekend. Brokers won't wait for you to get organized. So if you're thinking about it, when somebody else has their team moving, you probably lost the deal. Price your offer right, don't insult the seller, and don't get chased into a bidding war. Know your number and walk away. So this isn't really about building a bloated payroll. You don't have to do this before events. These are event dependent. It's about building a strike team, a sharp, focused crew that helps you get clarity, move fast, actually close, because deals aren't won with good intentions. They're won with great execution. And that takes the right team in the right sequence at the right time. So if you want the full breakdown on how to find, fund, and close your first $1 million deal without wasting months figuring it out, grab my book, How to Buy a $1 Million Business. No BS, no 100% seller financing crap, just the exact steps. It's only $19.99. And the link's down below. I'm John Stoddard, and I'll see you on the next one.